working together and all that. You know, from where I'm lying, desperately clutching at what's left of my life, it seems like you betrayed me and started working with the walking icebox. Well, two can play at that game. Try and get back to that double-crossing snowman in the GCPD without my guys blowing your pointy head off. I double dare you. Ring, ring. Hey, Bats. I've been thinking. It's probably quite difficult for you to fight your way through Arkham City in your current state. I don't think you need me to remind you that you're dying, right? The solution is simple, really. Stop fighting these idiots. Try a different tactic. Kill them.
We are gonna hurt you, Batman! I'm terrible! Catch this!
There seems to be a camera malfunction in Sector 3.
Why do you keep doing this to me? It's like you idiots spend every single day thinking up ways to leave me bitterly disappointed. Harley, when you get to the G...
Impressive, Batman. I doubted you would actually return.
I'm a man of my word, Victor. You should know that by now.
The formula is complete. Bonding process appears to have been successful. How are you feeling? You look unwell.
Give it to me.
I'm afraid I cannot do that, Batman. You have given me your last order.
This is not a time for negotiation.
I think it is. The clown has my wife. Bring her back to me.
You don't want to do this, Freeze.
Oh, I believe I do. You will bring me Nora, or you will die.
You are in my world.
Oracle, Freeze is attacking me. Get me the telemetry feed from his suit, now.
No problem. Bruce, remember what happened last time. Don't try to take him on in a straight-up fight. He's too powerful. Okay, data's ready. Coming through now.
Get off me. or two. No! That strategy will never work again. No! I see you are attempting to use my weapons against me. Do you really think I will allow that? Hide if you wish, Batman. I will find you and end you. The clown will pay for taking my wife. Did you feel that, Batman? It was nothing. Next time, I will...
I can't allow Freeze to see me. He's too dangerous.
You cannot hide forever, Batman. I learned from my mistakes, Batman. Do you? I can see you. Prepare to die. What? No.
Please, find Nora. She's all I have left. It's over. That was all I could manufacture.
Harley Quinn took it.
What are you waiting for? Go and get it back. The clown must pay for what he has done to us.
It's not that simple. Joker's got the steel mill locked down.
Getting in will not be easy.
Perhaps I can help. I've been working on a new projectile system. Maybe these will provide the edge you need.
I promise you, Victor, I will find Nora.
Our mystery caller was correct. It looks like Batman himself is exiting the building.
Is he really? Hello, Gotham, it's me. I'm afraid Miss Vale will soon be leaving the airwaves. We apologize for this interruption.
We've been hit. We're going down. Mayday! Mayday! My newscopter has been shot down. We've crashed down somewhere in Arkham City. We need help. I am now stuck on part of the old Gotham freeway in what looks like a turf war between... What the hell was that? Oh God, there are snipers. They're all around my position. I can see what looks like inmates moving in on us. Please, if anyone can hear me, send help. This is Vicky Vale. I repeat, this is Vicky Vale. If you can hear this, help me! It appears that the snipers covering my position from the southeast have gone. The roof of the Kirshen building has gone quiet. Either they've all left, or someone has taken them out.
I can't see you.
Look harder. Joker wants the reporter dead.
Yeah, okay, I'm trying.
Fire has ceased from Dini Towers. I can no longer see the snipers on the roof of the apartment building.
If you can hear me, this is Vicky Vale. I am...
You should be safe here for now. Stay here and keep out of sight.
Any chance I could get an exclusive? Care to tell Gotham what's going on with your face?
No. Stay there and be quiet.
Now, that's no way to talk to the nice reporter, Lady Bats.
What do you want?
Who are you talking to?
Now, see what you've done. The poor woman's all confused. Hardly surprising, I suppose. I mean, she's just been in a terrible accident.
That you caused.
How dare you? I've never been so... Oh, what the hell? Yes, okay, it was me. I just needed a little time to guarantee that Harley got back to me with my delicious cure. And if you're a good boy, I may even save a little for you. It's unlikely, I know, but I'm really your last hope now, aren't I?
Well, Gotham, it appears I'm safe. For now.
Gonna be able to get close without us seeing. You can use these sniper rifles to kill ants from up here.
We were lucky to get them. I heard Batman stop the guys Joker sent down to get the last shipment.
Frostbite.
Leave the mayor, that's strange. Protocol 10 will commence in 1 hour.
Huh?
I'm getting bored. I thought we were supposed to have left by now.
Hey, Bats, it's me! While you were saving Miss Vale, I took the liberty of beefing up security at my steel mill. I'm sorry to have to break it to you, but I don't think that even you will be able to get in here. Oh, this is getting too emotional. I can barely bring myself to think of you dying out there. I keep thinking of you lying dead in the snow. It's the only thing that brings a smile to my face.
The furnace is generating too much heat. I need to find another way in. Oracle, find me a route into the steel mill.
Let's see. I'm assuming you want the most dangerous route possible.
Why change things now?
Well, you're in luck. The only way in is via the heat exchanges, to the south of the building. I'll mark it on your map.
You think he's really coming?
Oh, Batman? Of course he is.
Nah, I reckon Freeze got him. He's stuck in a block of ice about now.
Really?
Yeah, Freeze must be pretty pissed, right? I mean, Joker stole his wife and threatened to pull the plug? No way.
Huh?
I'm just dying to see which one of you losers Batman takes out first. Let me see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Not one little bit. What? Think you can hide from me? Grenade! Grenade! Here's the plan. Spread out and find this son of a bitch. Got it? What the hell? Huh? Use some kind of smoke. Over here, I got it. He's over here.
Someone's missing in there. You? Oh, do I have to do everything myself around?
Whatever. You know anything about Protocol 10? Sounds scary.
Look out! It's the bat!
I just heard from my dad. He's been summoned to City Hall. Strange is requesting that Emergency Protocol 10 is activated.
Does Gordon know what Protocol 10 is?
Just that it's the worst-case security measure. Strange told the High Council he had failed to stem the use of illegal weapons within the prison.
Weapons he provided. This was his plan all along.
It certainly looks that way. He made it sound like the inmates were planning a mass escape and attack on Gotham. I'll keep you posted.
Joker just now.
Yeah, he looked okay, didn't he?
Yeah, how the hell did that happen? I saw him yesterday and he looked like poison crap. Today? Oh, good.
So did he find a cure or what?
Don't know. Last thing I heard was the doctors couldn't save him. Quinn even had me torture some lady down to find a cure.
What did she say?
Right up to the moment she died, she was still saying there was no cure. After that, not so much.
Well, who cares? He's back. The Joker's back.
What's up with him?
He looks kinda normal.
What's the vacuum in here?
What are you gonna do, Batman? I'll kill you, freak! You're gonna die. This'll be easy, Batman.
evening, troops. This is General J with a quick update.
Let me explain to you what's going on. The Joker is with... He's the freaking man! Please, get me down from here. Help me, please.
I've hacked into the council CCTV. The council members are coming back. They don't look happy. They're telling Strange that they're disappointed in him, that they never believed Protocol 10 would need to be activated.
But they gave him permission, didn't they?
Good evening. Protocol 10 will commence in 30 minutes. You all have specific orders for this situation. Follow them.
Do you still need an answer? Bruce, I don't like this. Be careful.
Please, get me down from here.
Oh God, it's you! I'm sorry.
It's all right. You're safe.
You're lucky. I could have killed you with this thing.
Believe me, Doctor. When someone takes a swing at me with a pipe, they don't get the chance to apologize. What's been happening?
I did what you said. I stayed out of sight and kept an eye on what they were up to. They've been placing things on the floor in the next room. I don't know what they are.
Sounds like Joker's trying to stop me with mines.
Will it work?
Do I look worried?
Worried? No. Sick? Very. You look terrible.
Don't worry about me. Get back to wherever you've been hiding. I'll deal with the mines.
And I did what he said. Man, you should have seen his face.
That's funny, man.
That thug's armed with proximity mines.
Do it?
Of course she did. I mean, look at me. I'm gorgeous.
So what's the deal with Jay? He looks better, right?
It's a freaking miracle. Yesterday he looked like crap. Today, the real Joker's back.
Thank God, man. I mean, who the hell wants Harley in charge? Between you and me, she's nuttier than he is. There you go. Get over here. I'm not Batman!
Gotta find him, now!
I've got the door!
You, what are you gonna do when you ain't got nowhere to hide, huh?
Priming the mine. Okay, it's done.
What about now?
God! Everyone, get your asses over here now! Wake up! Do you hear me? Wake up! How's he doing this?
Leave him. We got more important things to be looking out for.
Show yourself, chicken!
He's making you idiots look like fools. That's my job.
Who's screaming? Get over here, there's someone up there! What happened to you? How come you're up there?
Help me! Cut me down!
We're dead. We're gonna die in here and there's nothing we can do about it. We're not scared of you. You keep doing this crap and we'll find you. I'm sure Batman's back. Time to die! I got him! He's over here! Over here! I got him! He's over here!
He's gone! I lost him!
Find him now! I see what you're doing.
I found another one! No! You too? Oh God, wake up!
Well, what do you know? You did it. You took them all out. I know I should be sad, but the truth is, I'm happy. Happier than I've been in years.
I hear you, buddy.
How's it going in there anyway?
It's all good. I'm in position. The room's mine. I see Batman. Boom!
Hope you're right. The joke.
Well, look who it is. What do you want, B-Man? Come to stick the knife in some more? Well, go on then, I don't care. I'm not telling you nothing. I'm not even gonna tell you about the crap Joker took from Freeze and locked up in